And India's growth story faces a reality check after leading global economic growth in recent years. Asia's third largest economy has downgraded its forecast to 6.4% for the fiscal year ending March 2025, its slowest pace in 4 years. This marks a sharp decline from the 8% average growth rate India achieved over the past 3 years. The slowdown is attributed to weakening investment in manufacturing, disappointing corporate earnings and faltering demand. Inflation, sliding wages and a record low rupee have compounded the challenges. The Nifty 50 index ended 2024 by 8.7%. This is significantly below the 20% surge recorded in 2023, reflecting waning investor confidence. To counter the economic slump, policymakers are under pressure to loosen monetary policies and slow fiscal tightening. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government is exploring measures like tax cuts, tariff reductions and fiscal expansion to boost consumer spending and revive private investment. Adding to the urgency, Prime Minister Modi replaced Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta Das in December with Sanjay Malhotra, who has pledged to focus on growth. Analysts expect the central bank to begin cutting interest rates as early as February to stimulate the economy. Meanwhile, global uncertainties, including Donald Trump's potential return to the White House and escalating tariff risks, pose new threats to India's trade outlook. While India's growth remains the envy of many nations, maintaining a rate of 8%, critical for achieving Modi's vision of a developed India by 2047, looks increasingly unlikely. The International Monetary Fund projects average growth of 6.5% in coming years, with Goldman Sachs forecasting 6% for financial year 2024 to 25. Experts highlight the need for tariff rationalization to integrate into global value chains and boost export competitiveness. As businesses curb spending and consumers tighten budgets, the road ahead depends on how effectively policymakers address slowing demand, rising inflation and private sector investment concerns. India's economic planners face the dual challenge of supporting growth while achieving fiscal deficit targets.